Today was really, really fun. Wow, this show is so great. Bill, it is time to go to bed. Okay, Mom, I'm going to bed now. Good night. Good night, Bill. Oh no! I have a math test tomorrow. Oh no, I didn't study anything today. I need to study now. Hurry up. Oh no! I can't believe I fell asleep. This is bad. I will get a bad grade.
Bill! Wake up right now! You're gonna be late!
Wait, look here. I have an idea.
Bill! What happened to you? Are you okay?
Mom, I feel very sick. I cannot get up.
Oh no! Your body is so hot! Wait here for me.
Wow, this plan is working so well. I must act like a real sick boy.
Let me check your temperature first.
I can do it, Mom. Can you get me some water, please?
Okay, wait here. I will be back very soon.
I need to sweat more.
Maybe he got sick after soccer yesterday.
He should stay home and rest today.
You okay, sweetie? Here's some water. I feel so dizzy. My head hurts.
Oh no! You have a high fever!
Bill has a fever today. He needs to stay home. That's okay. Let Bill rest today.
We have a math test at 10 o'clock today. If Bill feels better, he can come later. Thank you so much, teacher. Have a good day.
Yes! Everything worked perfectly for me. I can stay home all day today. Oh, hush. I must act sick again.
Take this medicine and drink some milk.
If you feel better before 10, you can go to school.
My head hurts, but I can try to go. Honey, what's wrong?
It's okay. You can take the math test later.
Oh dear, I don't know what to do now. Mom, what happened? Is everything okay?
I need to go out for some urgent work. But Bill is very sick, and I'm so worried.
Aha. You can go, Mom. I will stay and help Bill. Ha ha! Today is such a great day. Oh no! Someone is coming into my room! Ah! Bill, do you feel any better now? Cough. I still feel very weak right now.
Okay, I will cook some porridge for you.
Oh no, cooking is really, really hard. Oops, I made a big mess again. The porridge is finally done. Oh no! She's coming upstairs right now! Bill, wake up and eat your hot porridge. My throat hurts so much now.
Drink some warm water, Bill.
Bill, your temperature is completely normal. My head hurts so much again. What should I do? You need to take your temperature, Bill. Mom, please answer my phone call. Dad, Bill is very sick. I can't reach Mom.
Okay. I'm coming home right now.
Oh no, this plan got really serious. Goodbye. Oh no, what happened to Bill and Anna today?
Bill, are you okay now?
My head hurts. I can't take the test.
Don't worry, the test is postponed.
Really? The test is postponed? Yes! I feel better now.
Wait, Bill, did you lie to us?
I'm sorry. I wasn't ready for the math test. I was scared to get a bad score and a bad grade.
I rushed home from work because of you.
I'm really disappointed in you, Bill.
Mom, Dad, Anna, where are you all? I'm sorry. I know I was wrong. I won't lie again. Bill? What are you doing here? I'm sorry. Please don't leave me alone.
Shh, it's okay. We won't.
We're here for you.
Leave you? We just went shopping together.
We even bought your favorite food for dinner. Hey, you're pretty cute tonight. No, you are. Bye, everyone. See you in the next video. Don't forget to watch more fun videos.